Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You know, Itsbrittglamm channel. And today I'm going to be doing a makeup video. I know I haven't done a makeup video in a long time. Sorry for that. But anyway, I'm bringing to y'all a good palette that I had recently bought off Ulta Beauty website. And they just launched it inside Ulta, because this was like on a online store, but they just put it in Ulta like 4 to 5 days ago, so I had ordered it out there. It's the Juvia's Place palette. Y'all can see it. I'm gonna be doing a fall look today, since it's October and it's fall. So I'm gonna do a fall look. Like I always do, I always read a structure before the video. So coming from Ruth. If y'all don't know who Ruth is, she had a Boaz. She in the Bible, Ruth and Boaz. Ruth was a woman that didn't settle for just anything. She waited, or anything. She waited on her Boaz, and the definition of Boaz is a husband that is rich and good looking and stuff like that. Coming from Ruth chapter 2 verse 1. There was a relative of Naomi's husband, a man of great wealth of the family, I don't know how to pronounce his name. His name was Boaz. So Ruth the Moabitess said to Naomi, "Please let me go to the field and glean heads of grain after him in whose sight find favor." And she said to her, "Go, my daughter." That's all I got for y'all. But anyway, for beginners, they use they put tape right here, but I can't find no tape, so I'm just gonna try to do my best. Ray palette. If y'all see my previous videos, I always use this palette because it has eyeshadows and contour and highlighters in here. And color spices right here. And if the lighting changed in this video, that's because I'm using natural lighting from the outside of the window. Outside of my window. And when y'all apply eyeshadow, you don't want to be all the way up here. You want to be like this and do it gently. Now I'm going to be going in with Control Freak, so don't get, I don't know, just know that I still had trouble doing eyeshadow, but I'm still learning. It's like a pumpkin spice type color, you know. Please. Ooh, spooky. Place palette, and I'm going in with Juvia. Oh look, they don't really have like a lid color, so I'm gonna be going to my Ray Ray palette again. Tiffany as my lid color. Rose gold type of pinkish, brownish type of glitter. I'm gonna use this 2 light shades right here. And darken the crease. Foundation now, and this to the oily parts of your skin, like your T-zone area and everything. So let me just put a little bit out, and just put it in the places that you get oily at a lot. Y'all see my stretch marks? Using the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. It's long wearing and high pigmented foundation, and y'all see me wear this in my previous videos too. And this foundation, like as soon as you apply it, it's light, but then after a few minutes later, it's oxidized. Like it turns colors, like it get darker on my skin. It don't look like this color no more. It really turns a little dark on my face. Usually use a brush to blend my foundation out, but I want to try using the beauty blender. I don't want to look ashy because when you bake your skin, I don't want to have no flashbacks to my ex. In the Wet n Wild contouring thing, and I'm gonna be using Snap. Dab a little and move it slightly. Use the Wet n Wild. Nose contour, baby. I'm going to contour my nose like that because you know I got a fat chubby nose, a cute button nose. Just make it sharper, like right here. Make that jank sharper right there. Yeah, sure. You know, sure. This is a long video, y'all. I'm gonna be having to split some stuff out this video. To use this Wet n Wild photo focus. I want a lot of I'm gonna be using this liquid velvet matte formula Nubian that I had got from Rainbow. Yeah, it was Rainbow. Cute though, it's a fall color lip. Gotta stay to the end of the video. I'm gonna be making an announcement and doing a little toast. So let's get to it right now. Your girl dumb. I said dumb. Your girl done with her look. I don't want to should I use this, leave it as a matte or as a glossy. That's how the finished look is. Like, this is the finished look. Okay, y'all, I want to make a toast to my progress and my success that I had made in 2018. I got my brand, you know, Itsbrittglamm. I told y'all on Instagram, and that I came out with my lash line, but it's not launched yet, but it will launch like in the middle of November or at the beginning of November, sometime around that time. But anyway, I want to say I'm happy that I got all that stuff right with my vendors and, you know, my eyelash vendors and stuff like that. And plus, your girl is an ambassador of a fashion line called Poppy Apparel. This Apparel is like a fashion boutique, you know, online. So they contacted me on my email. Like, I looked at it in the morning time, and they wanted me to be an ambassador of their brand, because they like everything that I did do on Instagram and YouTube, so they found me. So yeah, I'm an ambassador, and plus y'all can use my discount code. It's Brick. I'm head on the screen. It's called Blip. Oh my god, not oh my god, but Itsbrittglamm 7. That's my discount code. If y'all don't use that, y'all will not get a discount. And the stuff on that website is cheap and everything, so y'all can use my code so it can be cheaper. Hey everybody, this is the website Poppy Apparel. As you see here, they have many, like, it's for plus size and skinny people, so you can shop all sizes, and it's really cheap at a good price. And y'all can use my discount code. Like, who don't want a discount code? I'm sorry, y'all. It's Itsbrittglamm 7, and y'all see it's cheap, and it's got like vegan shirts, you know, like fun type of tees that y'all can order and have fun with. So y'all need to get, look, who don't want that shirt? 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 They even got an Apparel shirt. Like, who don't want that? coffee feminists, people who are deep into that feminist stuff, like the women, all that stuff. Like, I really think y'all should buy it. It's similar to Fashion Nova, you know. They got all types of teas. Okay? Okay. So, yeah. And y'all can, like, and plus, I want to cheers to, you know, I'm about to become a nurse, and plus, I'm in college. That's a real big toast, like, you know. But everything's going good. I'm so happy that my brand is about to come out. My brand, Itsbrittglamm Cosmetics, and it won't be an online store for long. And plus, I'm gonna do pop-up shop. I wish I can just like travel like everywhere, like international, like hand like little events and everything. So y'all, this is just the beginning, but I'm just so proud of myself. I'm doing everything on my own. Young lady, 18, about to be 19, doing good things, you know. Cheers to that. And this is not no wine, y'all. It's ginger ale. So I'm playing. But yeah, y'all, that's why I want to have a toast to. I will have this toast to every Wednesdays. Yeah, Wednesday. And I will try to post twice a week, like I did today. Another day, I did like a Fashion Nova haul, and I will be hearing it at the end of the stream somewhere. But I want to say thank y'all for even having the time to watch my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And go in the description to go to that website called Poppy Apparel. Use my discount code BRICKGLAM7 for y'all can have discounts off anything. And I will be coming with my eyelash line, so y'all gotta wait. And thank y'all for watching this video. And you know, have a good day. And pray. God got us. So thank y'all for watching this video. Doo-doo.